Hello everyone. In today's video, I talk about Schneider SCADA software, Geo SCADA Expert 2025. Geo SCADA Expert is powerful SCADA software. It's often used in the water treatment, is oil gas pipeline. Okay, if you want to download this software, you can go to Google search or the Microsoft Bing search, type Geo SCADA Expert 2025 download. You can find is Schneider electrical community. You click download. You can go to is Geo SCADA knowledge base is page. Go down. You can find all the version. I use this Geo SCADA Expert 2025. It's very new version. Is published the last month. Is 87.9552.1. It's a very new one. Okay. If you want to install Geo SCADA Expert 2025, you have to use Windows Service 2020 at least. Okay. Here is the Geo SCADA operation system support. You can find in here. Okay, in here, desktop hardware is Windows 11 Professional and Enterprise Edition. It's a home edition not working. Okay, and the service hardware is Windows Service 2019, 2022, and 2025. So I use 2022. Okay. Now let's talk how to install the software. First, we should install Windows system is prerequisite software. Okay, we go to control panel, go to uninstall, go to turn Windows feature on or off. Okay, this Windows service so is complete Windows 10, Windows 11 Professional. Okay. Then go to add rule and feature. Go to next. Choose rule based. Okay. In here, go down. In here, which one we want to install? At least we should install IIS. Okay. Web service. Okay. This one. Add feature. Okay. Second one we should install is Light Framework 4.8 feature. Okay. Done. Install all the stuff. Okay. Next. In here, web service, IIS, all this one. Okay, here, Light Framework 4.8, confirm ASP.NET 4.8 should be installed. Install. Okay, just wait a few minutes. Okay. Close here. That's it. So here I download already. We can install. Okay, here is set up. Right click is rate as administrator. Here is EcoStruxure Geo SCADA Expert 2025. Okay, we just install Geo SCADA Expert. Click. In here, we should install. Also, we install this one and a ViewX controller. Okay, a ViewX. Next, okay, he just install. Okay, now we start EcoStruxure Geo SCADA Expert 2025 setup. Next, before always the press required. Okay. Next, in here username, use administration, use a username. Oh, sorry. Use Luis when. Okay. Next, we click follow recommend. Next, oh, okay. Next, here use name, use admin. We use this one. Okay. Password, create password. Okay, next, we keep install. Now we start. Okay. Now, so far is okay. Now we can see in here service location. Okay, with SCADA service, we running stop. Make sure it's start. Okay, now we start this one. Here is ViewX. Okay, here we can see here is we log in first. We use this one. We create administration password. Log in. Okay, it's working. Look, here's okay. Right click. In here, all of the stuff. We can build everything. Okay. Here is modern. He use Python computer language to script program. Okay, is very modern one. So go to view. We can see it's OPC. OPC history is everything here. Okay. We can see it needs a simple library. We can use this one. Double click here. Look. Here just simple. We can use this one. Okay. Okay, for example, it's fan. Here's a fan. It's running animation. Okay. Let we just talk how to use this software. Okay. Thank you very much.